grinder. 4.5-inch wheel, small angle grinder, 2-year warranty, 30 days money back guarantee. And this package is kind of thrown in there. Looks like in the package comes one grinding wheel. Well, it's 4.5 inches by a 1/4 inch by 7/8. Also down here, got a handle. It's like to tighten the grinding stone or blade or whatever. And here's the grinder. I've been beating these up for a couple years now, quite heavily, and they seem to hold up pretty good. But there's the Black & Decker grinder out of the box. Of course, plug-in American plug. And of course you got all your warranty papers and, you know, for the 2 years.